Hi guys, in this video we are going to look at what is Bootstrap in detail. So what are the advantages, what are the features and how it's working and everything we are going to look at these videos. Hope you like this video. If you like this video and continue with this tutorial, I'm going to explain each and every component how to use this Bootstrap framework in detail, so you also getting master it. Okay, simply Bootstrap is the front-end framework. So what it means framework? Framework is the someone code. Simply I'm saying everything I'm going to explain very simply so you can understand. So framework is someone codes. Already someone coded everything. You are just using by its class names. So simply it's the open source front-end library designing websites and web applications. So it's contain HTML CSS based designs templates. So most of the frameworks codes are CSS and also JavaScript codes also. So just using, and in your web projects you just using that codes and make it in a perfect way. Okay, we are going to look at the advantages so you can see all the details, and when it's going to start all the things here, so it's not needed that much. So I'm going to show you what are the advantages of Bootstrap. So first advantages, easy to use. You know about that. You are using someone's codes is very easy. If you are going to code something, it's very difficult. So using someone's code is very easy. So second thing is that responsive. What do you mean responsive? I have created a separate video for Bootstrap's responsive grid view system. So if you want to look at this video, just I have put the link in the comment section. You go and see that video. Okay, what does mean responsive? Responsive mean here I am going to show you responsive designs. So what does mean responsive mean? You just created one website called one website. It's going to work with different devices regardless of the device screen size. So you can just see here, this is the desktop, maybe the big screen, then this is a laptop, and this is a tablet and mobile phone. So it's a different views according to the device screen size is going to change the features. It's look something different, something good. That's what this responsive. If you are not using Bootstrap, if not that website is not responsive, how it look like? See this example, perfect example for that. Is a non-responsive website, is a responsive website. You can see the difference. This is it's not convenient. If you are looking this website, you are, I think you don't like to watch this. So this is the proper way. You can read it. It's very easy to use. So that's what you are doing, the responsive designs. Okay, one responsive is the second advantages. There are a lot of advantages: speed and the development, so customizable and consistency. There are a lot of things are here. I put these all details in the comment section. You can read it, and I'm going to explain. It's not that much important, so I'm not going to explain each and everything in detail. So if you are going to continue with this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do this and that. Okay, the third thing is I'm going to explain these features of Bootstrap. So here you can see this is the front-end framework, so everything is going to be colorful, convenient, looking so good, looking so perfect. So I'm going to show you one thing. This is the Bootstrap button system, so you can see how it's look like. If you are going to use some danger buttons, so it's look like something danger, red color is primary button, success button is a green color, so it's something looks different. So this is Bootstrap card system, so you can see here these card systems are working. It's looking very good, looking very perfect. Okay, then you can see Bootstrap tables here. Looks tables are very perfect looking. It's very good. It's like a dashboard. Bootstrap is looking so good, and there are a lot of things to explain. So in this tutorial I'm going to explain each and everything. This is the very first video of this tutorial, so I'm going to give a brief introduction about this Bootstrap within maybe less than 5 minutes. So I'm going to explain each and everything in detail. So just subscribe my YouTube channel and look at all the videos, and you can get to know about this Bootstrap framework and you can master it. If you are using in your projects or in your website this framework, it's look very convenient to your clients and your users, so they like to watch your website. So I'm going to explain each and everything how to do this and that. This is the Bootstrap grid system. What we already explained, that Bootstrap it's look like responsive. So how they are using responsive grid systems like that. So I have made a separate video for you, Bootstrap grid system. So go and watch that video. I have put the link in the comment section. And what are the things more? Yeah, here there are a lot of advantages. I don't want to explain each and everything. Is you will get confused, so you don't need to that much. You just think about these features. So they're unique features. You like these features, and you can use these features in your website and make your website very colorful. And people always like colorful things, now. Then that's what the thing we have to do. Okay, hope you like this video, and if you want more videos, and subscribe my video channel, and waiting for another video. I'm going to start a new Bootstrap tutorial series. If you like, you can follow my videos tutorial and get to know more about this Bootstrap framework, and you can master it. Thank you guys, hope you like this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks.